In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check when your LinkedIn profile was created. This is a particularly handy piece of information. Whether you're curious about your journey on the platform, looking to celebrate an anniversary, or for any other reason you might have. Let's dive right into it. First, let's get started by opening your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in, as you'll need access to your account settings. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the top left of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This step will take you to a page where you can access your account settings and personal information. Next, gently scroll down to the bottom of the page you're on and tap on the Settings option. You'll find various categories here, but what you're looking for is the Data Privacy section, so tap on that. This area of LinkedIn is designed to give you a clearer picture of how your data is being managed, which is crucial for both security and understanding your interaction with the platform over time. Once you're in the Data Privacy section, locate the option labeled Manage Your Data and Activity. This is under a subheading which talks about how LinkedIn uses your data. By accessing this subsection, you're stepping into the specifics of your LinkedIn journey, including insights into your account's history. Now you'll want to go to the last page of this section. It may take a second to load, but as you reach this page, you'll be on the lookout for some key details. Here you'll notice a mention of when you updated your terms of service. This appears most notably as a date. While it might seem like this date only reflects when you agreed to new terms, it actually aligns with the creation date of your LinkedIn account. It essentially marks the very start of your LinkedIn journey. In some versions of the app, you'll see a straightforward indication that says, Date joined LinkedIn with the accompanying date. But for most users, if you see this last updated date in your terms of service, rest assured that it is synonymous with the day you created your account. And there you have it, a simple way to determine when your LinkedIn profile was created. If you found this little trick helpful and you'd like to see more instructional videos like this one, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, so that you stay updated with our latest content, and click the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.